Paul, I mean, aren't they? They're about to do their next last snow survey
Right,
in
on
a couple of
Wednesday.
days. Is it Wednesday?
Yeah, April 1st.
There's nothing going to be there, right?
No, it's going to be a stick on the ground. That's
Okay.
going to be essentially what the snow survey is going to be. It's unfortunate. They're going to get a little bit of snow here over the next few days, but not nearly enough to erase the deficit that they're running at this point in the season. And even though they had some snow earlier in the season, most of it has now melted way ahead of schedule. We rely on that, of course, for water supply throughout the year. We are going to get some water around the Bay Area. We've seen plenty of clouds streaming through the atmosphere overhead. Nothing falling out of those clouds just yet, but an approaching storm system is going to give the atmosphere a little squeeze and send the first chance of showers into the Bay Area tonight into early tomorrow morning. So let's zoom in for a closer look here. Take a look at Futurecast, and we'll stop the map at a few points along the way. This takes us through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, when we are going to be seeing the showers trying to make a run into the region. This is right at 6 a.m., a few hit or miss showers for the morning commute. I don't think it's going to have a huge impact on traffic, but it is the first rain that we've seen in weeks, so that is enough to slow things down just a little bit. We go from 6 a.m. through noon tomorrow, and those showers continue to fall in parts of the Bay Area. It's a decent chance of rain, but lower than 50-50 in any one particular spot in terms of the chance of adding up anything more than a trace. Then we go from noon through 8 p.m. tomorrow. The showers take a little break during the afternoon. They don't stop entirely, but another batch of rain is going to be possible tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. A little kind of mini break late tomorrow night into the first half of the day on Wednesday, but we should see some more showers developing later in the day Wednesday. Another ripple in the atmosphere moving through and squeezing the atmosphere one more time. Once again, this is going to be scattered light rain shower activity from 4 p.m. to midnight on Wednesday. You see the hit or miss showers continuing to make their way across the region. And on the edge of the map, you can see some of that snow in the higher elevations. And then after midnight Wednesday night, we will say goodbye to the last of those showers, not amounting to a whole lot across the entire Bay Area overall. But again, at this point in the rainy season, we will take whatever we can possibly get. Let's talk about whatever we are going to get. The amounts that we expect from the forecast models, anywhere from a few hundredths of an inch of rain to maybe in the North Bay picking up closer to 0.2 of an inch of rain. That's the upper limit, and that adds up both those chances of rain tomorrow into tomorrow evening, and then again late Wednesday into Wednesday night. It's just enough to settle the dust, hopefully wash some pollen out of the atmosphere, but I think at best our pollen count is just going to retreat to the medium category Wednesday and Thursday. It's not going to drop any lower than that because there's going to be another factor helping to disperse more pollen across the region, and that is the winds picking up as this progression of a couple weak storm systems moves through. The winds will be noticeable tomorrow, but not overly strong. Most of the strongest gusts in the 15 to 20 mile an hour range. More wind energy associated with that second kick. That's going to send some gusts into the 20 to 30 mile an hour range by Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening, well short of the threshold for a wind advisory, but it is certainly going to be noticeable. Looking outside from the top of Mount Diablo, we're seeing temperatures at the moment still warm, low 60s in San Francisco and upper 60s in Oakland, but inland temperatures are still in the low 70s. Average highs for the warmest parts of the Bay Area still in the upper 60s in late March. So we got above that today, and we will still be close to that tomorrow. In fact, despite the clouds, despite the rain chances, high temperatures will end up about 1 to 3 degrees above normal. So getting up into the mid to upper 60s across most of the region, including for Monterey, Salinas, and Hollister. Temperatures around the Bay Area proper getting up close to 70 degrees in the inland valleys, mid to upper 60s around the Bay with low 60s at the coast. And the North Bay is going to be a little bit cooler than other inland parts of the Bay Area because you have the best chance of seeing some more substantial rainfall. So a few days of shower chances. We'll wind down those showers. We'll put early showers in the forecast Thursday just to be on the safe side, but most of Thursday does look dry. And then we warm up. There is that warm Easter weekend. Temperatures inland up into the low 80s on Easter Sunday, and then we retreat slightly for the beginning of the first full week of April. Bayside temperatures are going to be around 80 degrees for Easter Sunday, right around 80 for both Saturday and Sunday, and then a bit more of a drop by early next week. And at the coast, you get into the warm up as well. It won't be quite as dramatic, but your temperature should be well into the 70s over the weekend.